Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is August 6th, Thursday, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Again, in no particular time order today, we had 3 in the NASDAQ, 1 in the ES, 1 in gold, and 1 in crude. We had 5 winners and a break even. Our first trade here, again, in no particular time order, was in the ES. We got short in the ES on an understanding trade at 1350. We added at 1550, or I'm sorry, 13. We added at 15, and we were easily able to get out of the trade around break even. And we did not hit the trade again because it was a little aggressive. And I felt that if it didn't go down the first time, it was going to have a trouble, which it did. So we didn't get into that again. We did take an awesome trade in gold, a killer trade in gold. We got short on gold at 73 on 1027 candle. Initially made some money, and then we were able to move our stop down at 1042, and basically the thing never came back to the entry after that. It went down before any kind of significant pullback after this, from 73-ish down to 60, so about 60 ticks. And then, again, it never came back to the entry, and, it was kind of hard to really trail. So a lot of people were out at 60 ticks, but it did go much further than that. In crude, we had a trade which was really nice, and I wish we would have hit it a second time, but we did not. I think we were in a different trade. I think we were in the gold at that time. But 42.40, it went down. It made about 20 ticks, and told everybody it might have a little bit of trouble there. Came back up, but then again, like I said, when it came back down again, we did not hit it again. And then in the NASDAQ, we had one small one and 2 really nice ones. We had a short NASDAQ trade, short NASDAQ trade at the open 9:36 Central Standard Time, 91.25, and that trade went down 40 ticks. And some people hit it a second time. Second time it made, not everybody did, but second time it made 20 ticks. And then we got long on a ZL 98, and that trade made 25 ticks. And I told everybody, if it didn't hold, we were looking for like solid green, to go up kind of like this. I said, otherwise they'd come lower and we'd revisit it. So that made 20 max, 25, but we don't really take targets at 20, at 25. I mean, so 20 max really on that one. Realistically, we did not hit it again, which we probably should have. And that was what we did. So, and then in the end of the morning, we were waiting on this trade, this power play, 41.75. It finally triggered at 12:09. I told everybody, we can wait and see if that triggers, and it's still takeable. We got long on that, and that sucker made from 41.75. In fact, it's still going up, all the way up. Now a lot of people had left, a lot of people were out. I said, if you're out, then, we're not going to have another one. So you'll see that one right there. We got long, and again, it's still going. So the trade so far has went from 41.75, almost 160 ticks. But again, not everybody's going to be in it for 160 ticks. So, that was a beautiful trade, and we were waiting on that one from over here. We called that trade over here, but it didn't trigger. So we're going to come back tomorrow. We're going to do it all over again. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. You get 25 hours of free trade calls, analysis, and questions. And when you're done with that, you have 3 choices, really. You can do nothing and leave, which we hope you like what you see, or you can join our call room or learn how to trade like we do, by way of our mentorship academy or training module programs. So we'll see everybody back tomorrow. Subscribe to us on YouTube. To get all the updates, and join our mailing list at www.futurestradingcoach.com. See everybody back.